Hey, what's up, folks? Hope everyone is good. Hope everyone is lit. Hope you guys are chilling wherever you are. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly discuss a trick slash what? I don't want to say trick. Trick sounds lame, hey. Let's just say anyway, it is kind of like a magic trick. So let's just go with trick for now. But yeah, on how to trade Nasdaq, how to analyze, how to get sniper proper entries off of Nasdaq. And yeah, this not only works on Nasdaq, by the way, it works on all currency pairs and indices and commodities and whatever you call them. But yeah, before we get into the video, just like, subscribe, and share the video, man. Don't hate. Don't be a hater. It's not a vibe. So first of all, what are we gonna look at when you're trading Nasdaq? One thing we should understand is always trying to understand where the general market is going, trying to understand the general direction of the market. So basically, what happens is usually I would start off on the daily time frame, and then once you're on our daily time frame, we just look at the overall momentum before the New York session opens. The New York session is technically closely about to open, and it's basically open, but the Nasdaq is about to open right now at 8:30 UCT -4. This is the US New York time, and on my side, which is SA, which is South Africa, it's actually yeah, past 2, still 2 p.m., past 2 p.m., somewhere around there, as you can see the time there. So now what I need you guys to do is just start off by looking at the overall candlestick of the daily chart. So you understand? So we can see that our daily chart is what is bullish. So since our daily chart is bullish, which means for the day already we're blue, which means there's a strong presence of buyers in the market. So once there's a strong presence of buyers in the market, what is our job? To look for buying opportunities, looking for entries on a buy session. But you don't just enter anywhere, you just have to be thoughtful about it. And yeah, there's this thing, one thing they call there's this one thing I wanted to teach you guys for a quick second before we get into the grids of before the market open. I'm not going to be here by the mic by the time by the opening bell, because I need to trade Nasdaq. So I'll just give you a quick mini, whatever they call it, what you call, damn, yo, I hope I'm not gonna get striked for swearing on YouTube. But yeah, and don't be lame by reporting the video on YouTube. But yeah, one thing I need you guys to look at, let's just get straight to the point. I usually like to babble around, and yeah, that's just me. There's these things called order blocks. I don't know if you guys see these structures here. I want you guys to, when you get into the market, I want you guys to be precise and only find what we call sniper entries. I'm sure you guys know what sniper entries are. It's those entries that are like this. Let me just make an example. For those who don't know, we gotta accommodate everyone. So let me just put it here. Yeah. If it was to happen that you buy or sell, let me just quickly remove this. I'm gonna bring it back. Let's say you were to quickly enter a trade, probably here, and hopefully look to catch it all the way up here. So the fact that you were able to enter where the market turned, that is basically a sniper entry for those who don't know. So yeah, right now, to quickly show you how to catch sniper entries, right, you need to understand something. You need to understand that there's what we call order blocks. Order blocks are the points in the market where, if we have candlesticks like this, if we see these two candlesticks right here, if we're looking for a buy, let me just highlight this. If we have these two candlesticks, then there's a red not a red, but usually on the chart is red, but a selling candlestick, and a candlestick that is maybe buying and is larger than the previous candlestick, like in this format, this little space here is called an order block. Let me just mark it. I hope you guys see what I'm marking. So on an order block, what do we look for? Let me just quickly like do like a text, a mini text. Order block. It's too big and the size is ugly. We just do it like this. Let's do it like this. Okay, let me make it white. Yeah, yeah, just like that. Nice. So this is called an order block. Let me just quickly like try and put this here so it's kind of like visible in a way. So what am I expecting from order block? From an order block, an order block is basically like a place where once the market comes and like taps into it, that's where I'll be looking to look for my buy opportunities. So if it happens that the market comes down to this level or the block here, this is where I'll probably be looking to like enter a buy trade. You understand? I hope that makes sense, to hopefully like try and go up with the market. Does that make sense? So if the market was to come here, I'll be looking for a trade probably somewhere around here. And I usually risk like anything from 1:4 going up. That's usually my risk to reward ratio on a trade. So this is what it means. Let me just quickly do this. I wanna do this. I would enter on the beginning of my order block. Basically, if I was to enter a trade, and then set my stop loss just below the order block, and look for a take profit of anything, like I said, from 1:4 going upwards. Sometimes it can go all the way to 1:10, 1:20, depending on how far the market decides to, finesse its way around. And yeah, I hope guys that makes sense. If it didn't make sense, just you know what to do in the comment section. I got you guys. Don't be scared to talk to me. I don't bite before me. So yeah. Otherwise, for now, that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. But like I said, this works on all the time frames, right? And since it works on all the time frames, I can just quickly go to the 1 minute charts and then wait for the market to open and look for an order block that I can execute on market open. So for an example, where are my order blocks? Right here. I have an order block here, so there is a chance that the market might turn here or it might pass through. There's another order block down here. I don't know if you guys see it, which is the second one. Already the market is starting to react off of that price. There's another order block here, which is the second order block. I'm not gonna label it because that is kind of lame, but it's not pretty much lame. But yeah, it's not lame. But here, as you can see, guys, the market is already starting to react off on this order block. And yeah, I would catch my buy trade from there. This is actually live time, guys. I'm not predicting. I'm not like what you call. I'm not pre-recording the video. This is actually like actual real-time market recording. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, if I was to catch a trade, just put my trade just below the order block and hopefully like expect the market to go up if I'm looking for a buy. Or if it happens that it hits my stop loss here, I'll target the next order block, which is where down here, this level down here. If the market happens to like decides to do this, oh, it's actually going up. That's a vibe. If the market decides to do this, yo, what is this thing doing? If it decides to do this, I might try and catch it in here, then hopefully like look to go up with it like that. I hope this makes sense, guys. So which means I'll enter my trade here, and this thing is flying down. It's no longer listening to what I'm saying. But yeah, you guys get the twist of like how other blocks work. But this is where I'd also look into getting And yeah, maybe just usually before the market opens, or just before the what you call the New York session opens. That's what I'll be looking at. I hope guys this makes sense. And if you guys have any questions, don't be scared to like ask in the comment section. And yeah, I got you guys. I got you. Let's see what's happening here. Yo, yo, why did I shift this? I made a mistake there. I'm gonna put this here. So yeah, already it did like come and touch this point. Now it's reacting really nicely and hard. Like really hard. Yo, what is my chart doing? Okay, okay guys. Let's just wait for and see. As you can see guys, I just tested the order block there. We're just gonna wait for it to go up, and it is actually going up as predicted. Yeah, you guys should throw in like a like, subscribe. You should throw in a subscribe, and you should share this video because this is actually like a lit proper call. So yeah guys, you know the vibes. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna log off and just wait for the opening bell. Then we're gonna go in hard on it, and then yeah, catch you later guys.